So, yo, what do you think about that song "Win" by T-Pain? Like, what do you think about it? Like, give me your demonstration of it.
Well, let me just give you my demo real quick, because I'm in the Pontiac G6. Let's go crazy.
It's nothing.
Shit.
It's nothing.
It's nothing, you know what I'm saying? So it's a theme song of the convertible, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Let me just bump this hot stuff for you. See how?
Yeah.
You gotta wait for the chorus.
Yeah, the chorus. It's all good. Why you feel this song though?
Huh?
Why do you feel this song?
Because all I do is win, as you can see.
I hear you. I ain't mad at you, though. I wish I was you, though. Seriously.
Yeah.
For real.
Here goes my part right here.
All I do is win, no matter what.
So whatever. It's nothing.
And they stay there, and they say yeah, and they say yeah.
Oh. It's like your own music video on 2142 Lillian Drive.